Number three, flashy accessories. Large necklaces, earrings, bracelets were a fundamental part of the outfit.
Use clothes with different colors. For example, neutral colors and florid sequins.
In comics, there were stories like Watchmen, Spider-Man, and Sandman.
Sea suits and guns. It was a dangerous sport, but also exciting.
Just friends, are we more than friends? Just have a man. Don't you?
And finally the next. Dream of building a pyramid that will defy time. He called choose architect info.
You think I'm stone cold, tripping, man, I'm sick of being teased. I just wanna belong, yeah.
You will not stop me. For the kingdom!
Stop yourself. We need to get a straight versus of this family.
Don't be so good. After all, she's gonna be married to you.
If you love her that much, you should have married her. You make this girl look presentable for the dance. Like if
No, no lie to me. No, no, no lie to me. No, she.
Was in August 15 to 18 in the year 1960.
Moves like a dancing queen. She's attending for when.
you're like Terminator.
Michael Jackson, the king of the pop, revolutionary music and music video, a unique style, and it's like thriller.
Spend all this under my eyes. Please, babe, don't make that move with your eyes. Shut the past, this past.